Looked and felt a lot like January in Pittsburgh today. Problem is, it's still November. Temperatures primarily in the upper 20s through the afternoon. It's now 23 degrees. Thankfully, we've kicked all the flakes and flurries out, but the clouds continue to hang overhead, and we still have a brisk west wind coming in at 10 miles an hour, and it will stay at 10 miles an hour or less overnight tonight and through the day tomorrow, so not quite as brisk with the winds moving forward. 24 in Cranberry right now, 25 Churchill, 24 in Belle Vernon, Bethel Park in Washington, 23 in Butler, West Mifflin, and 25 in Latrobe, as well as Indiana. And temperatures probably won't come down much more than another degree or two by first thing tomorrow morning. They will bounce back a bit more tomorrow afternoon, probably a good 7-8 degrees warmer than it was this afternoon. Should carry us into the range of about 35 or 36 tomorrow afternoon. Radar has gone quiet, and that is a nice change, especially considering the last few days has seen its fair share of returns coming in on radar. Futurecast just showing clouds overnight tonight. It's going to be quiet for the commute tomorrow morning, but mostly cloudy, and that's the way it's going to be through the day tomorrow, with a dry daylight period start until finish, and then another weak piece of energy looks like it's going to come through the area tomorrow night. As it does move through, there's a possibility we could see a couple of flurries or even a couple of sprinkles of rain as we head through tomorrow evening and early tomorrow night, but right now it doesn't look like much. Here's a look at Futurecast. Against plenty of clouds, we're now enjoying a little bit of ridging of high pressure. That's dried things out, hasn't cleared things out. As quickly as that's moving in, it moves away, and watch how that next disturbance starts to take shape late in the day tomorrow, back across parts of northern and central Ohio. That again kicks across the area tomorrow evening with a flurry or a sprinkle, and it doesn't stick around very long. Things become very spotty in coverage by 11 o'clock tomorrow night and should stay spotty overnight and into the day on Friday. And it's just to say, probably many of us don't see much going on during the day on Friday other than, again, a solid blanket of clouds overhead, but any widespread precipitation is likely not going to be an issue until we get into Saturday. That will come with a warm front moving through the area, so temperatures will surge, but we'll also get into periods of rain through the day on Saturday. The forecast tonight, mostly cloudy sky, 23 the low temperature tomorrow. The high climbs to about 36 degrees, also a mostly cloudy sky. Could be a sprinkle or flurry in the area tomorrow night, and then maybe a spotty shower on Friday, but most of the day rain-free, 45. Saturday, not the case. Periods of rain, 51. The high temperature, so it does warm up, and into the mid and upper 50s on Sunday with mostly cloudy skies.